Good morning, this is day 5 of our holiday on Bali. The days before we've been basically exploring the area and looking at all the villages nearby, but we're staying in this lovely family run hotel. So today we'll be doing something a little bit different. We'll be going to a chocolate factory and we're hoping to get like a wee tour how they make the chocolate and just getting to know a bit more about it. So join us on our little trip and see what else we get up to today. You taste the coconut.
So what one is that?
I think that's a creamy collection. Oh no, the creamy collection is like different kinds of... No, it's coconut. That's why it tastes like coconut. Ian, they've got caramel crunch. What's that?
Cafe mocha here.
Oh, thank you. It's quite a light coffee touch.
Tastes kind of minty.
No, but the the chocolate's absolutely lovely. Chocolate hazelnut spread.
We can take that back, can't we?
Yeah, would you take it? I love dark chocolate, but I don't like the combination with sea
You don't like
salt.
it at all?
I absolutely hate that. Boom.
But you like it's quite something on it.
Fruit and nut. Oh, I love fruit and nut.
We'll just try it all.
I would love to try everything.
Oh yeah.
So we got 4 bars. First one being cookies and cream. Then we got coconut, caramel crunch, barley creamy. I think we'll get another one. We'll get a peppermint one. Yeah, I used to get Calpol. So we don't get these energy drinks in the UK. Have you ever seen it? Yeah, it tastes like Calpol, just a bit sweeter. So this is the next day. We went to the chocolate factory yesterday, as you saw. I would recommend it. The thing is, it's only 12 kilometers away from where we're staying. Anyway, normally that wouldn't take that long by car, but it does take over an hour. So it ended up being a day trip, and the chocolate was really nice. So yeah, I can recommend it, definitely. So today we will be going to a local fruit market just here in Seminyak. On the day when we went to Edinburgh a few weeks ago, I'll link the video up here, I was saying that I was worried about the weather here, and to be honest, the first day, I had a terrible headache and I really wasn't feeling that great, but I did get used to it. Who would have thought? And Ian is coping really well as too. So yeah, we've come really at the best time. It's not too hot, it's about 32 degrees, and the fact that we've got air conditioning in our rooms is really good as well. Wow, that's huge. See, if we had a kitchen, we would be able to cook. So it was only a small market, and we'll be going back again, because it doesn't make much sense to get any fruit just now because we'll be walking around in the heat. So we'll just go back again and get something later or another day. But yeah, I think it's also much cheaper than like in the supermarkets, and then of course you're also supporting locals, which is good. So we'll be getting more stuff there, definitely. Let's go to the beach. Okay, yeah, now you can guess how much it was. Oh, come on. He always does it on purpose. When I ask Ian, guess how much something costs, he always puts it too low to annoy me. And that was 13k. 13k is how many pounds? So like 80p? It's like 80 or 90p for 2 cornetto ice creams. So that's us back in the hotel now. We didn't stay very long at the beach, maybe half an hour about, because it was far too warm and the waves are pretty choppy as well, and swimming wasn't really possible. I think it's more suitable for surfing. So yeah, we just got an ice cream and Ian is showering just now. I'll have a shower before we hop into the pool at the hotel here, and we'll get some food afterwards because we've only had breakfast and that wee ice cream. So yeah, so I don't know if you can tell, but it's pretty warm. And the worst thing is I do wash my hair, but the water, I don't think the water quality is that great. I'll blame it on that. Good morning to another day in paradise. It is day, I don't know, but who counts on holiday? Today we're off to Ubud, to the rice fields, and my parents will be joining us today and it will be a day trip. So let's go to the rice fields today. We've just arrived at the rice fields and it took nearly 2 hours actually. It's only 30 kilometers, but because there's no like straight way, of course, it was nearly 2 hours. But it was absolutely fine. We've got a driver for 10 hours, which is fine. We paid 1 million Indonesian rupiah, and I'll put the conversion rate, I'll put the pounds on my left. Oh, where do we go?
I think we go home. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Just watch that slide there.
It's just a slightly different than walking the coastal path. Oh my goodness. It's basically we're going hiking now. Wow, look at this. We can go to, there's like this beach club I was pointing at before. We should maybe go there now. Well, go after we've seen this. I think it's much warmer here. It might not be like temperature wise, but because there isn't much wind at all. Yeah, it's huge. So to let you know why Ian was running away was because he's not scared of any animals, right? Apart from butterflies.
You want?
Oh my sense. This one, right? It's actually really nice. Yeah, I don't know where to go out, how we get out. Yeah, I'm a bit lost. Shall we just go straight like that? Okay. Do we just go down here? That was a bit dodgy, yeah? Now I have to go all the way up again. So these entrances are free. Avoid like the entrances where people say, oh, you have to pay this amount of money or whatever, because when we initially arrived, we also thought that we would have to pay, but we never did. You can like make a donation when you're like there, and they're like we kind of like kiosks where they say spending or donating like 10k or something like that on a juice or whatever will really help the local farmers.
How it start.
Right,
The season in the next couple of months, and the polygon can be as big as my thumbnail, and the color it goes red. They become cherry when it's ready. So the animal right now they don't eat coffee because they're not in the next couple of months instead. Okay? They eat the coffee when it's become cherry.
Oh, right.
Very sweet and juicy. The animal they have the ability to do the quality control. The way they measure, if it's not sweet enough, they spit it out.
Oh, right.
Quality control. We breed the animal back in the plantation. We have plenty of them to produce the coffee. I give him name Jaco. The animal called Luwak. And did you know everyone, they've been still fully protected in the shell like this. It's fully protected.
Yes.
This is the premium quality coffee bean along with infusion. You can compare to the regular coffee. The exact same bean, but it tastes completely different. Because the regular coffee just handpicked straight from the plant and just random quality. This is the premium one because the animal, if it's not sweet enough cherry, they won't eat, they spit it out.
It is.
So this is the Luwak coffee.
Is it very hot? This is a pure coffee. This is what we call it.
It's very bitter, isn't it?
You take so much.
Yeah.
No, it's not bitter.
Sweet. This is normal coffee. It's a bit more bitter, I would say, than the Luwak coffee. Then we will have coconut coffee. This is vanilla coffee. Is that ginger coffee? Ginseng coffee. Mangosteen tea. Ginger tea. Lemon tea. Lemongrass tea. Herbal tea. No, herbal tea. Yeah, so turmeric. And then we've got Bali cocoa.
Mochaccino.
Mochaccino. And then mochaccino. Fantastic.
Sorry.
Mochaccino. Rosella tea. Avocado coffee. And blue.
This is the butterfly. This is the
Butterfly pea tea. And then we also have banana chips.
Which they taste like potato chips almost.
Do you
They
think
don't-
so?
They're a bit sweeter, but they're not.
It reminds me a bit of sweet potato chips.
So may I ask you all to have your mouth emptied before drinking tasting?
Right, this is coconut coffee.
You take some more.
This is the vanilla coffee.
That's my favourite.
Yeah, taste the vanilla.
No,
After drinking a ton of coffee and nearly buying the entire gift shop, we headed back to the hotel. So thanks for joining us on a few days on our Bali holiday. If you've made it this far, why not subscribe? You would really support me and the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!